Okay, let's be real. Talking about sex can get weird, fast. But seriously, it doesn't have to be awkward. I'm gonna break down how to have those conversations so you actually feel empowered, not embarrassed. First off, breathe. I know, sounds basic. But when you're nervous, your brain kind of freaks out. So, take a second. Remember, everyone feels some type of way about these talks. You're not alone. Now, ditch the pressure to be perfect. You don't need to have a TED Talk ready. It's totally fine if you stumble or laugh. Be real. If you're not sure how to start, try something simple, like, hey, can we talk about what we both like? It's honest, and it opens the door for both of you. Next, focus on listening as much as you're talking. I mean, you're sharing stuff that might feel vulnerable, right? So, show your partner you're there for their thoughts too. And here's a big one. Use I statements, like, I feel, or I want to try. It keeps things from sounding accusing and makes it about your experience, not what they're doing wrong. If you're worried about rejection, I get it. But the truth? The right person is going to care how you feel. And if something's uncomfortable, say so. Boundaries are sexy, trust me. So if you're ever unsure, just remember, honesty, empathy, and a little humor go a long way. You're allowed to ask questions and even laugh at the awkward moments. That's part of being human. Bottom line, the more you practice, the easier it gets. You've got this. No more cringing, just real talk, real connections.